everyone, my name is Javon, and I am the hip hop instructor here at YouDance.com. Before we start learning the basics of hip hop, let me just give you a brief history of the dance form. Hip hop dance refers to street dance styles primarily performed to hip hop music, or that have evolved as part of hip hop culture. Hip hop is a subculture and art movement developed in the Bronx in New York City during the late 1970s. Hip hop is a broad category that includes a variety of styles, such as breaking, house, popping, and locking. In this course, we're going to learn the basics. Hip hop is generally counted in an 8 count. The speed at which it is counted can vary, and an additional and count can be added at times as well. Hip hop is a unique form because dancers are free to add their own style. So stay relaxed, feel the music, and just have fun.